Had you ever heard your customer complain that the bottle you offered can't pump all the liquid out when you are about to sell on large scale? How to solve this? This is Jimmy from Decent Packaging Channel. Today, I am filming a video. How does foaming pumps bottle or sprayer pump bottle work perfectly? Number 1. Make the dip tube length of foaming pump or sprayer pump to match the bottle. Look at this foaming pump bottle. If the length of from bottle of gasket be same long as pump combined with dip tube length, the final effect will be like this, which will have some liquid stuff left over at the end of pumping process. We all know that kind of plastic PET or HDPE bottle will have some kind of convex surface on the bottom, which means it cannot pump all liquid out in the end. When you make the dip tube length be extra a little longer, like this one empty lotion pump bottle for example, it would pump all the goods out in the end, not wasted, not left over at all. There is what we do for our customer. Let me show you another sample. Well, if you order the foaming pump dispenser, or lotion pump dispenser, or trigger sprayer separately comes with the bottle, they are not from the same supplier. The most simple way to do that is to send a bottle sample to the pump supplier. Ask the pump supplier to do a matching on length of dip tube on dispenser pump for the foaming bottle, or lotion bottle, or sprayer bottle. In some case, you may not want the pump or sprayer supplier to know your pumping bottle information. Due to the design were confidential by client request, in this case you will be needed to measure from bottle of gasket length of bottle by yourself. And here is a tip for you if you want the dip tube length to reach to the rock bottom of the bottle. Take this feeding bottle as an example for illumination. The length from the bottom till the gasket of the bottle will need to add an extra 1/4 centimeters. Our usual practice formulate is from bottle of gasket length plus 3/4 diameter bottle length is enough. And you will need to give these two parameters, gasket thickness and dip tube length, to pump supplier. They will make mass production according to your parameter. Number 2. Please remember, don't fill full capacity liquid to dispenser bottle or lotion bottle. It has to leave some empty airspace for the bottle after assemble the dispenser closure. Don't ask why is that. Because I had learned this hard knock lesson on before, especially in terms of foaming pump dispensers. Number 3. Add a certain amount of soap to the liquid. Don't add too many of them. You can add little amount by testing the effect gradually to increase the dose. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button below to follow us and support us to make more content.